My in-laws have some ground for sale, land of which I have grown quite fond. And no, I ain't the row, but the place became my little Walden Pond. There's a grass dirt road leads to Tomahawk Creek, that's just part of all the charm. Man, I'm gonna have a cry when I say goodbye to my wife's family farm. I'd be out of sight, I'd be off the grid for a day, sometimes a week. It's the solitude I'll miss the most, acceptance soon I'll seek. Losing my little hideaway is like losing my right arm. Dang, I'm gonna have a cry when I say goodbye to my wife's family farm. It was there I found old arrowheads, along with calm and peace. From gathered stones I built a wall, and I chopped up fallen trees. If you face southeast from Willie's Grove, then you're looking at some neighbors' barns. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a cry when I say goodbye to my wife's family farm. My younger brother got closer there to me and to this place. I caught big fish off a little bridge, the night sky was a big showcase. It's a speck of dirt in this big wide world, some people wouldn't give a darn. But me, I'm gonna have a cry when I say goodbye to my wife's family farm. Like clockwork on arrival there, a conversion would transpire. I'd change from a bland suburban man into a country squire. This'll make a cut, maybe leave a scar, it'll surely cause me some harm. Yep, I'm gonna have a cry when I say goodbye to my wife's family farm. Their names Dan and Deb I chiseled in to a rock found on this land. Those names belong to my wife and me, and after 50 years we still stand. And this song's been an honest, truthful tale, not a silly old man's yarn. And now I'm having that cry, 'cause I'm a-waving goodbye to my wife's family farm. Probably till I die, there'll be times I'll cry over my wife's family farm.